Hey team, this is Brian 890. I'm here with Cliffe's existing coil and furnace. It's a vintage unit. We'll be replacing it with a Infinity 90,000 BTU and a 2.5 ton coil in this space. He's got two units. We'll only be replacing one right now. Let me get around all the way for you. The homeowner has also requested that we cut a supply register into his wall right here, 10 inches by 4 inches, and then just fabricate out a little bit up into the other room, just about 6 inches of fabricated metal.
I'm gonna mark it.
The homeowner is currently marking where he wants it. So just a 10 by 4.
He'll get a picture.
And you, wait, Cliff, just to be clear, you want it, you want it into this wall, right? Okay, cool.
So I'm not sure. He can't go from the side, so that's why I put the bottom.
Okay, so you want him to go in the bottom down in that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Cliff, the homeowner here, will
I'll cut the wall.
he'll cut the hole, and he'll provide a register too. 890 out. Thank you.